What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. To my right, BMW F30. This car is a 328 with the N20/N26 engine. For exhaust configurations, we've got the ultimate setup for OEM plus enjoyment. This car has the Valvetronic Designs F Chassis rear section. So we've got this section of the exhaust has been modified. We've removed the OEM muffler. It's got your factory valve operation, so you can use the Sport and Sport Plus modes. Additionally, in the midsection right here, there's a Resonator about 16 inches long or so. That's been removed and it has been straight piped in that area. In this video today, we're gonna show you guys why the F Chassis valved rear section for this F22, F30s, F34s, all those F Chassis cars is the ultimate modification. Whether you have a 4-cylinder car like this or a 6-cylinder B58 or N55 car, this is the ultimate rear section. And we're gonna show you how good this 4-cylinder car sounds with the proper exhaust setup. Startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper, the whole sound experience, so you know exactly what your F30 328 or 228 or 428 is gonna sound like with this modification. Let's get to it. All right, folks, inside the F30 328 right now, we've got the exhaust valves open with the Bimmer Link application. It's plugged in here by my left leg, and we're driving with the valves open. Again, Resonator delete with the valve rear section. It's really nice in here. You get a nice aggressive sound, but there are no other components deleted. This is perfectly emissions compliant. You have no issues at all with this setup. The car does have a very light stage 1 tune. So you get a little bit of overrun, which is nice, which adds to the experience, but you can, of course, turn that off if you're not in Sport Plus. So we're gonna let the car warm up a little bit here, and this modification is so nice having the valve rear section, because if I close the valves, the car goes back to being bone stock quiet. It's so nice because there's no compromise with this setup anymore. You just put the car back in comfort mode, past the cop like we did just back there. Then if you want, you open up the exhaust valve and it really, really sounds good. Now, I'm gonna stop talking, let's jump into the interior clips. Shh. Here we go. It's very interesting how much fun you can have in like a kind of normal 3 Series configuration, just because we got the right exhaust setup. This thing is so much more interesting now than it would be in a stock configuration. It's always vital to have the valves. Subaru in the grass, word.